Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you see, I knew there was something. It felt sticky. There you go, Bob's your uncle. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to see how I did this simple bluey orangey look, feel free to keep on watching. I hope everyone's doing good. I hope everyone's keeping safe. As per usual guys, feel free to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button so you know anytime that I'm uploading a new video. I really want to say big thank you to all my subscribers. I've hit 600. I can't believe it. Thank you guys, every one of you. God bless every single one of you who is supporting me by just clicking that subscribe button. You don't know what that does for me in terms of just motivating me to continue on. So guys, palettes that I used in this tutorial will be part of a giveaway that I'm doing on my Instagram channel. Basically, I'm trying to grow my page. I'm trying to grow my Instagram. I'm trying to grow my YouTube, you know what I mean? So I'm trying to bribe you guys small to, you know, go over there and join me on IG or Instagram, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, feel free to go and add me there. I'm trying to get to 3,000 followers on Instagram. Go into the giveaway and you know, hit your, what did they say? Cast your shots or something like that. Like, you know, you never know what happens. You might win. You might win something, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, feel free to follow me on IG, feel free to follow me on TikTok, feel free to follow me on Facebook. It's all the same as my MUA Beauty. And what else have I got to say? Once I hit 3,001 subscribers, I will be doing my giveaway, and it will be an international giveaway as well. So whether you're in America, you're in Europe, you're in Kazakhstan, you can enter. I'll get the things to you, don't worry about it, okay? So the products that I've used today, like the 2 eyeshadow palettes, the little mini ones, are part of the giveaway. It's not going to be them ones. It's not even going to be those colours. There's 4 different colours. Yeah, so I'll be giving them away. And also giving away a few other things as well. So yeah, feel free to go and follow me on there. You'll be doing me a good, you know, what should I say? You'll be doing me a favor, you know. You'll be making me feel good. You'll be making me feel all of this thing that I'm doing is not in vain, you know what I mean? I'm also thinking of doing a Q&A. I'm considering doing it with my daughter. So let me know what you think about that. And also, if you would want me to do a Q&A with my daughter, what kind of questions would you want to ask me and my daughter? She's going to be 15 next month. And yeah, what else have I got to say? Guys, I had totally forgot to mention that I had used a brown/black owned skincare product before I started my makeup, and I totally forgot to put it in my intro. So you'll see me using the product and going through the things I received with the product. And the good news is, guys, you'll also receive a 25% discount. All the details will be in the description box. Alright. And feel free to comment down below, and take care guys, and see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I feel like I'm repeating myself, but take care and see you in my next video guys. Bye. Gosh guys, so sorry about that, but yeah, here we go. So the product is called the Essential Code. It's a Vanilla Body Balm. It smells beautiful guys, and it's more or less like a substitute to like Vaseline, because obviously with Vaselines it has all these unnatural resources in it, and you know, I don't know if you guys know that it has like oil industry like products, byproducts and stuff like that can actually potentially be harmful to you. So this is what I got with it. I'll quickly read it to you. Thank you for your purchase. We wanted to give you soft moisturized skin using all natural ingredients that we can actually pronounce. This body balm is not recommended for use on the face, however it is perfect for everywhere else. Enjoy.
Tani. That's Tani. I was speaking to her. So that's what I got. And this is the product. Like I said, I have used a little bit already and I do love it. So it just feels it's quite heavy, but at the same time it's quite light and it smells amazing. I can't even lie to you. I've used it for a few days already and it smells beautiful, and it contains extra virgin olive oil, sweet almond oil, cocoa butter, beeswax, lanolin, vanilla, and vanilla essential oils. Yeah. So I'll put all the details in the description box as to where you can actually buy it. And like I said, you will be getting a 25% discount. All the details will be in the description box, guys. Okay, so let's get started with makeup. As you can see, I use my Embryolisse first. And then I actually went in with my underpainting technique. I actually done my face first, guys. I done my face before I actually done everything else, which I don't usually do. So yeah, that's what I done. So I initially used my Burberry's. I used the sheer, not the sheer, I forgot what it's called now. The dewy one, I forgot what it's called, but I'll put all the description. And then I, obviously because I did the contouring as well first before I even started with my Burberry's. I used my Maybelline in 380, my Poreless in 380, and then I thought it was so sheer, the Burberry's foundation, so I thought, you know what, let me just go in with my trusted concealer by Juvia's Place. So that's what I did. So you could just see me, you know, putting everything in place first, and then I used the Ordinary foundation in 3.2R, and this foundation is light to medium coverage, I would say, or medium to, I don't know, the coverage is a bit some way for me. I don't know if I just don't put enough on, but I had to kind of layer it a little bit, not too much because I don't want too much on anyway. Then I went in with my CC Perfecting Powder by Makeup Revolution. You lot might as well just get used to it, that you're always going to see that, and you're probably always going to see the Glow Splendor bronzer as well. Let me not lie, I don't know what colours they were. I'll put them in the description box, but it's either going to be medium deep or medium dark. It was one of the treat, you know what I mean? So here I'm just contouring. I used the bronzer as a contour, and then I went in with my dark CC powder to put set everything in place, basically. Then I done my brows, which I must say, like I said, I am learning to do my brows after my foundation and stuff, and I don't know, I feel like I need to get some more products. Anyone has any like advice on other brow products to use? I know MAC have a good brow pencil. I think I might invest, because as much as I liked my brows, I don't know, for some reason in the camera you can't see it. I mean, you can see it here, and then I went over it with Wet n Wild pencil as well, because I just didn't like it. It just, you can see it when you see me close up, but I just didn't like the way it looked in the camera, especially my intros, like you couldn't see, and I don't know why. And I'm just guessing it's because it's like a water-based product. It just looked like it had faded out or something. I don't know, I'm not sure. Then I went in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in, I think I just used chestnut. Yeah, I used chestnut. Yeah, so I'm gonna look for other brow solutions, if you know what I'm saying. Then as per usual, I went in with the Ordinary foundation in the front and at the tail of my brow, because that's the foundation that I use for my face, you know what I mean? And I must say, and then I went in, and I don't know if this is another thing that I did that was a problem. I then went in with my Colourpop brow gel. I don't know if that's what I felt made it look, I don't know, I just didn't like the way it looked in the intro. It's like you couldn't see it. Then I used my Bella blush by Juvia's Place to warm up my face a little bit, because it's orange, and orange is phenomenal on delicious melanated skin. It just warms us up a little bit more. Then I went in with the Heroin highlighter by Juvia's Place as well, up my nose and on my Cupid's bow and ting-a-ling. And as you guys know, I always blend everything out afterwards as well, just so that it all amalgamates into my skin. Then I wanted to use the same Bella blush for my transitional color on my brows, on my lids. But one thing I didn't put enough of, I don't believe, was my concealer on my lids today. I didn't put enough on because I feel like it could have popped a bit more. You just saw me use a little bit of my CC powder as another transitional color. And here are the Makeup Revolutions, one of the color palettes that I use. Like I said in the intro, guys, there's going to be 4 different color palettes by Makeup Revolution in this I forgot what it's called now. How can I forget what it's called? It's totally gone out of my head. Anyway, there's the orange one. So I've got the blue and the orange one, and I thought, you know what, I really do like that product. I've had it for a while. Let me buy some more to give away. So that's what I've done. I bought, like, I think I'll try and put in a picture here somewhere of the giveaway picture or something like that. I don't know. I'll see how I can work it out. I don't know. I'll see what I can do. You know what I mean? But if I can't, it's on Instagram. Like I said, follow me on IG as my MUA Beauty. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe this video, guys. Oh my gosh, I actually remembered to do it. I remembered to do it because, guys, we've been in this relationship for how long now? How long have we been in this relationship? You've been seeing me decorating my face, and you still haven't pressed that subscribe. I don't know what more I can do at this point for you to press that subscribe. Meanwhile, you come back every single time I go a video, because I probably harassed you via WhatsApp or via Facebook or via IG, and you were watching it too, but you don't subscribe. I don't get it. So just subscribe and make me feel happy, okay? Thank you. And then I went in with my liners, or my liner, should I say, to do wing liner. As you saw with the colors, I used 2 blue colors and then the orange. It was kind of a halo-ish effect, I guess. It wasn't intended to be, but I guess you could say it was. And yeah, here you can just see me do my wing liner. And it was so hot that day. And then here I just patted any powder that had come off, any fallout, sorry. So I just brushed it out of I just brushed it away. And then I'm starting to love this chocolate palette for a liner, you know. I can't even lie to you. Then I use one of my Maybelline 24-hour ink, and then another one, I can't remember the colors. I'm going to put it in the description box as per usual, guys. You know, guys, subscribe, share, follow me. I'm going to start saying it every time I see it on screen. I'm going to say it by force. And then here I'm just cleaning up my lipstick a little bit, and I think I decided to put a bit of lip gloss on. Yes, I put my beloved lip gloss on, the one I always put. And I thought, I want to make my cheeks pop a bit more, so I went into the Saharan desert. The Saharan palette, even the Saharan desert, you know, that's funny. And I used the red, the burgundy and the orange in that, and that was the finished look, guys. It was really quick, and even the way I was talking, you see my brows here, it's like you can't see it, like I don't get it, but it was very prominent when I was taking pictures. It's very prominent, but here you can't really see it. And I was thinking, what's going on? That's why I feel like I need to get a better brow thingy, me tink. Or if you guys have any suggestions on how I can make my brows look a bit more prominent, please let me know. But that's it, guys. Like I said, you will get a 25% discount using code AZAMAI25 for the essential code skincare product. I'll put all the details in the description box, guys. Stay blessed, take care, and see you in my next video. Bye.